Live start అయిందని మనం ఆపలేం. అంతే కదా.
So hi, good afternoon to one and all. I am A. Shanmuka of class 9th year from JNU Srikakulam. Today, me and my friends are going to explain a topic about improvement of food resources. In this topic, the parts are crop variety improvement and the crop yield improvement. So let us start.
Hi friends, this is Yugala from class 9 JNU Srikakulam. Now I would like to tell you some topics about food. Why is it necessary for us and what are the components does it contain, and I will also tell you that what were the revolutions which were taken part in 1900s. So let's start. So friends, firstly, what is food? Food is organic substance which is very essential for our body development, growth and health. So these three main characteristics were provided to our body by the food only. And now I will tell you about the nutrients which are contained in this food. So, food contains of 5 types of nutrients. There are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now, I will tell you about what are the sources through which we get food. See here, food is obtained from two main sources. Those are plants and animals. Plants are again categorized into agriculture, through which we can get crop production, and animals are categorized into animal husbandry, through which we can get sericulture, apiculture, and we can also rear animals and birds for the better livestock. Now you have to know about the revolutions which were taken in 1900s. So let us start. These were the 4 main revolutions which were taken in our 1900s. First is Green Revolution. It was made for the more production of grain so that to feed all the citizens in our country. Can anybody from boys tell me that who was the father of Green Revolution?
MS Swaminathan.
Yes, it is correct. The father of Green Revolution was MS Swaminathan, and this revolution was took place in 1960s. Now come to White Revolution. White Revolution is for the milk production so that all the people can get protein availability. Next one is Blue Revolution. Though Blue Revolution is required for the seafood and fishes, etc. The last one is Yellow Revolution. It is for the oil seed production and we are cooking now some delicious food items with oil. No, this revolution is deemed necessary that time. And now again one revolution is there which is deemed necessary in our future, that is golden revolution. It is for the pulses, so that we can get all the type of dal and etc. So now what is the condition of India? See friends, India is populated country and it has ranked first position in population, and to feed this much of population we have to grow more and more crops, and to grow this more to do more production we have to do sustainable practices. These sustainable practices will be further explained by my friend.
Sustainable practices. In our country, agriculture is the major source of livelihood, so everyone should be able to buy food. Food security depends on both availability of food and it should be affordable by all. To increase the yield of crop production, we should take some examples like mixed cropping and intercropping. So can anyone come from girls say about mixed cropping?
In this process, two or more crops are grown in same.
As it is correct. Mixed farming is a type of farming which includes two or more plants are grown on the same field simultaneously. The advantage of this are improved in fertility. Example of this wheat plus drum is an example of mixed farming. Then second one is intercropping. Can anyone from past tell about intercropping?
In this process, growing of more than one crop in a field by different patterns.
As it is correct. Intercropping is a form of cropping which includes two or more crops grown on the same field in different patterns. In this, the two crops should be, the required nutrients should be different from each other. The advantage of this cropping is pests and diseases will be prevented and soil fertility will be improved. Example for this cropping: soybean plus maize. So the main question is here: how can we improve the crop yield? How can we improve the crop yield? So let us know.
నీకు వాటి అంత సెంటిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఒక అంత ఇంటి పెంచాలి మాకు
Hello, I am Girdhar of class 9 from the Jain Visvakulam.
గట్టి మాట్లాడు కోవిడ్ కనబడేస్తాను ఒకటి
Hello, I am Girdhar of the class 9 from the Jain Visvakulam. I am here to explain you about the topic of improvement in crop yield. But first, we know about the types of crops. In our day-to-day life, we eat so many types of food which obtained from the various crops. These crops are cultivated by the humans for their own benefits as well as for the food for the livestock also. foods helps us by giving more energy when we are doing any physical exercise like physical test, etc. And the second one is the oilseed crops. These crops like soybean, mustard, sunflower, etc. are being cultivated in the fields. These gives us more energy. These are contains fats which gives us more energy when we want much and more energy. And the third one is pulses. The pulses pulses like peas, Pigeon peas, gram, red gram, green gram, etc. provides us more proteins, which is also known as bodybuilding food. This bodybuilding food helps us for our growth and more physical strength. The last one, spices, fruits and vegetables. These helps us in the providing with vitamins and minerals which prevents us from the deficiency diseases and keeps us more fit. The last one, fodder crops. Along with the food crops, the fodder crops also being cultivated in the land for the food for the livestock. And the conditions for the growth of crop. Different types of crops need different types of climatic conditions, different types of temperature and photo period. Can anyone from girls say about the photo period?
The period in which the plant undergoes in the photosynthesis is called.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. The duration of period in which the plant undergoes in the process of photosynthesis is called photoperiod. We already know that the plants manufacture the food by themselves through the process of photosynthesis. And let us know about the seasonal crops.
Hi friends, now I am back. Let us discuss about the seasonal crops. So, seasonal crops are the crops which are grown per the months and the following, and it consists of a particular period in the year. For example, in summer season, we should grow jade crops. Can anybody from girls tell me that what are the examples of jade crop?
Watermelon and mango.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. During summer, in the jade crops, freshy fruits and some juicy containing vegetables are grown for increasing the water content in people. So now, what are rabi crops? Rabi crops are grown in winter season. Examples of the rabi crops are mainly wheat. It is grown mostly in Uttar Pradesh because those side people eat more chapatis, and wheat is only the main product to make chapati. And what are the kharif crops? Kharif crops are grown in rainy season. Can anybody tell me examples of rainy season crop? Okay, I will continue. Some examples of rainy season crop are paddy and cotton, maize. These all are grown in kharif season only. Now we have come to know that what are the seasonal crops and in which season they are grown. Now let us discuss about some stages which we take for production of crop in higher yields. One friend.
So, in India, there has been an increase in production from the period of 1952 to 2010 with 25% of cultivable land. So, we should think about the achievement in this. The first step will be choice of seeding is the first step. Then the second stage, nurturing of plants. This is the pillar of the agriculture. Then the third step, production of the grown crop. These stages can be classified as can be classified as crop variety improvement, crop production improvement, and crop production management. So let us know about crop variety improvement.
Hi, I am Akhil from 9th class JNV Srikakulam. I am explaining a topic about crop variety improvements. main aim of this is to find a variety crop. It can withstand different conditions like high soil salinity, desert climatic conditions, water availability. In order to accept the variety crop, you ensure that the crop gives a good yield or not for in a different conditions or in a different areas. For this, farmers should provide a great or good quality seeds. The seeds should be a same variety or germinated in under a same condition. The variety of crop can be selected by breeding for the variety traits such disease resistance, response to fertilizers, product quality and high yield. In this, there is a two way to decide crop into variety crop. First one is hybridization, second one is genetically modified crop. We look into the first one, hybridization. Hybridization means the crossing between the dissimilar plants to produce a new body or plant or high yielding variety. In this, there is a three types of further type of hybridization. Anyone can, girls?
Intervertical, interspecific, and intergeneric are the three types of hybridization.
Yes, what you said is absolutely right. There are intervarietal, interspecific, intergeneral. We look into the first one, intervarietal. The cross made between the two plants belonging the different varieties of crops. In this time, there is the most common thing for the breeding of this system. And second one is interspecific. This is the cross made between the two plants by belonging to different specific of same genus. And third one is intergeneric. This is the cross made between the plants belonging the different genre. And last one is genetically modified crop. In this, they involve the manipulating of crop plants for increasing yield and sustainability, etc. The genetical manipulation provides a desired characteristics of crop. Then we will look into the factors of the crop variety improvements.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Ramya of class 9. I am studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Now I am going to explain about the factors of the crop variety improvement. There are 6 factors of crop variety improvement. The first factor is hiring and the second factor is improved quality. Third factor is biotic and abiotic resistance. Fourth factor is change in maturity duration. Fifth factor is wider adaptability. And the sixth factor is desirable agronomic characteristics. Now I am going to explain about these characteristics, these factors. Hiring. It gives higher production to the crop and it increases the crop productivity per acre. And the second one is improved quality. We know that we can't take same quality products for all crops, so we should take different types of quality products for different crops. Some of the important quality crops are baking quality is important in wheat. in wheat, and the protein quality is important in pulses. And there are some more examples. Now we are going to look into the third one, biotic and abiotic resistance. What do we mean by biotic and abiotic? Biotic means it is made up of natural substance, and abiotic is made up of man-made substance. Due to this biotic and abiotic, the crop can improve very easily. Under the different situations, the biotic and abiotic improves. The biotic situations are diseases, insects and nematodes. The abiotic situations are drought, cold and salinity. The fourth factor is change in maturity duration. From birth to death, all organisms will grow, and it is same for crops also. In this there is a short duration, which means some crops takes very short time to grow. In that case, farmers can grow some more crops. And the fifth factor is wider adaptability. This is the most important one in this, because we should grow the crop under climatic conditions. It gives higher production to the crop, and by growing under the climatic conditions, we can we can stabilize the crop so that it improves the productivity of the crop. And the sixth factor is desirable agronomic characteristics. It tells about the plant's characteristics. The main characteristics of plant are tallness and branching capability. The crop should have the branching capability, because like if you see in cereals, there is a vastness is desired in cereals, and it is important for crops also. These desirable agronomic characteristics gives higher production to the crop.
So finally, we want to conclude with make more innovations to increase crop production. And I want to also give a message that ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎక్కువ జంక్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ని ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తున్నారు, కానీ జంక్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ని ప్రిఫర్ చేయకుండా కొంచెం హెల్దీ ఐటమ్స్ కూడా మీరు ఎక్కువగా తీసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు జంక్ ఫుడ్లో మీకు ఎక్కువ కెమికల్స్ అనేవి మిక్స్ చేస్తారు, ఏది ఫ్రెష్గా మీకు అవైలబిలిటీ అవ్వట్లేదు. దాని బదులుగా మీరు ఫ్రూట్స్, వెజిటబుల్స్ అలాంటివి తిని మీ బాడీలో ఉన్న వాటర్ కంటెంట్ని ఇంకా ప్రాపర్ లెవెల్స్ని మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. లాస్ట్లో సో ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్లో మీ అందరికీ మేము చేయబోయే రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ కామెంట్.
Thank you.